Simply pleasure and made special when there's you with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends will always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing by, and the cold breeze of December, sparking light all over town, children carols in the air by the Christmas tree, as showers